What's going on, guys? My name is Justin Furniel from Push and Profit. I trade stocks. I make videos on how to trade stocks. The majority of the videos on my channel are about trading stocks, and chances are if you click this video, it's because guess what? You're interested in trading stocks. Now, I know there's so many things and it's overwhelming to just get into trading stocks. There's just so much stuff out there to learn, and me personally, I just wish I could just give you all my knowledge, like put it in a flash drive, hand it over, and then you guys download it, and boom, you guys have all the experience and knowledge that I have. But unfortunately, that's not impossible, or at least for now. But my overall objective for this video is to kind of create like a step-by-step guide on how to get started trading, day trading, and investing in the stock market. Right now, one of the first things you're gonna need is a broker. Now, essentially what a broker is just like a trading platform that you're going to use to execute your trades. And there are several different brokers out there. I can't tell you which one's the best one because, one might suit your needs better than it might suit me. For example, I use actually a few different brokers. Now, typically most people just have one broker, but I just use different brokers for different reasons. For example, if you guys have watched any of my other videos, I day trade on TD Ameritrade, the Thinkorswim platform. And that's usually where I do most of my day trading at. That's where I day trade anywhere from 25,000 to 100,000. Now, granted, I know a majority of people watching this video aren't going to start off with that. I honestly didn't start off with that. It took a long time to, get there. But anyways, that's what I use for my Thinkorswim TD Ameritrade platform. I also trade on Robinhood. Now, if you guys are familiar with Robinhood, is one of the first brokers out there that came out with the commission-free trading. They also came out with the trading on the phone. I'm getting a phone call, but Anyways, they were one of the first ones, and I use Robinhood for actually a different reason. I don't really day trade. Now, just to kind of break it down real quick for people that are not really sure what day trading is. Day trading is just when you buy a stock and you sell it in the same day for a profit, or hopefully a profit, and you're not losing, right? So you could buy Apple stock, you sell it in 5 minutes, you buy it or sell it in 30 minutes, etc., right? Now, swing trading is when you buy a stock and you hold it for either the next day, the next week. It's just you're not selling it in the same day. Now, this is what I do on my Robinhood account. I typically just do long-term investments. I'll buy and I'll hold the stock for maybe a few days, maybe a week, maybe a month, a couple months, and that's what I do on my Robinhood account. I also have I use Webull as another broker, and I kind of do the similar thing or similar trading strategy that I do with my Robinhood account. Now, do you need 3 different brokers? Absolutely not. I just like to keep things organized. I like to have one broker where I day trade, one broker where I swing trade. That's just me. You don't have to do that. All right. Now, the next thing I do want to kind of go over, and this is something I actually didn't know when I first started trading, is the PDT rule, otherwise known as the pattern day trading rule. Now, if you don't have $25,000 or more in your broker account, you are not able to do more than 3 day trades per week or 5-day rolling period, meaning you could only buy and sell a stock in the same day 3 times per week if you don't have over $25,000. And this is a heartbreaking rule. Trust me, I understand. I went through the pain. I had to suffer until I grew my account up. And yeah, but it's not bad because you could still do 3-day trades per week, and you could swing trade as much as you want. So if you wanted to buy, again, Apple stock today and sell it tomorrow, you could keep doing that. There's no limitations on that. It's just as far as day trading, you could only buy 3 times per week, or do 3 day trades per week. And I'm sorry, I just messed up. But that's how that goes. And I just want to cover some other things. So before we get into that, let's just quickly hop into my computer and I'll go over some other concepts as well. Alright, so now we're in my computer. I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. This was the broker that I said I use, that I typically trade anywhere for 25,000 to 100,000. This is my day trading account. Like I said, I do use Robinhood, but I use that more for swing trading. Right now, after you do select your broker, and you figure out what type of trading you're going to go ahead and do, the next thing that you're going to want to start doing is called paper trading. Now, if you don't know what paper trading is, it's essentially just trading with simulated money. It's where you literally trade in the real market without your real money and you just practice. And the reason why I emphasize this so much is just because, like anything else, trading is a skill that's going to take time to develop. You're not going to become a Hall of Famer baseball player with just catching a ball once. You know what I mean? You're gonna go to practice. You're gonna play games. Over time, you become a Hall of Famer baseball player. Same concept when it comes to trading, right? So I always recommend to start paper trading. Trade with simulated money first, and practice trading in the market. And so, you start seeing that you have a profitable strategy. And once you have a profitable strategy, that's when I would recommend to then, start trading with real funds. Now, I'm going to be honest, I honestly did not start paper trading. I started trading with real money. This was because back then there was no one like me on the internet kind of talking about this option. I would have definitely started trading with fake money first and then started trading with real money. So I did learn some lessons along the roads. I took some L's, but overall I still did pretty good in the market. And that's really just because I always just read articles online. Like I just kept trying to learn as much as about the stock market as I possibly can. But for anyone else that's watching this, that is a good option or a great option to start, right? Now, there are some brokerages that do not offer this. Like I know for a fact Robinhood does not offer paper trading as of now. Who knows if they'll change that. But this broker that I'm using right now, TD Ameritrade, they do offer paper trading. Webull offers paper trading. Also, fun fact about Webull, they're actually doing a promotion right now where if you guys sign up with one of my referral links in the link below or in the description below, and you sign up, you get a free stock, and if you deposit $100, you'll also get a free stock. And now the first stock that you get when you sign up will be anywhere from $2 to $8, and then the second stock that you'll get from funding with $100, you'll get a stock ranging from anywhere from $8 to $1,000. Now, that's just an option for you guys. You guys obviously don't have to use my code to sign up. Cool thing about Webull, when I actually first signed up for Webull, one of the free stocks that I got was a $1,000 stock. It was actually a $1,200 stock of Google. It was one share. Are you going to be as lucky as me and get that? Who knows, right? You never know. But it's obviously just a great option. But like I was saying, Webull offers paper trading as well. And, I'm sure there's other brokerages out there that offer paper trading as well. It's all just, up to you. Great. So now we got finding a broker covered. We got paper trading covered. The next thing that you're going to want to try to do when you start trading is start looking for stocks. Create a watch list. Now, a watch list is essentially a list of stocks that you're watching, right? Now, you could try to look for a different stock every single day using a scanner, or you could have a watch list. Me personally, I don't like scanning for different stocks every day. That's just not my type of trading style. I know there's a lot of people that they trade penny stocks and they try to scan for penny stocks that went up so high in one day. That's just not my style. Of course, you could do that. What I like to do is just like have a watch list of stocks that I am watching, and then through there just look at what opportunities are presented. And that's just because I don't trade really high risk stocks. I kind of do more conservative trading. I tried high risk, I tried penny stocks. It wasn't something that I excelled in. Does it mean that you can't excel in it? Absolutely not. There's people who are good in different niches, right? My niche is pretty much just trading ETFs, specifically SPY, which is based off the S&P 500. But anyways, we'll go ahead and show you my watch list. So right here, this is a watch list. I call this blue chip and mid chip. Hold on, let me click out blue chips and mid cap stocks. These are really stocks that are like kind of either in the mid range or like kind of expensive. I got Apple, that's like a blue chip stock. And by the way, blue chip is just a fancy word for like just like real big solid companies. I got here like Apple, I got let's take a look. I got Netflix, I know I got Amazon somewhere in here, and right now Amazon's like, I don't know, somewhere like $2,000 right now. Actually, 1,700. I got Google. I got like big companies in here. This is what I'll trade for. Hold on, I got my Wi-Fi off, so let me go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi because I don't want you guys just looking at like nothing, right? Cool. So yeah, I trade off of this watch list. I also have another watch list called Index. This is primarily what I'll day trade, and I'll just trade what the market's doing, the S&P 500. And yeah, I just draw little lines all over the place. So yeah, you're just gonna want to have a watch list. And once you have a watch list, the next thing you want to learn about is how to buy, how to sell, etc. Alright, so now I'm just going to go over something that I think is really important is just how to buy and how to sell. Now, I can't obviously go over how to buy and how to sell in every single broker because each broker is slightly different. Their button might look different. It might be in a different area. So that's not really what's important. But what is important is learning the difference between a market buy and a limit buy. Now, a lot of people don't know this. When I first started, I honestly didn't know the difference between a market buy and a limit buy. And I took small L's when I first started just because I didn't know about this. And what's even even more sadder is there's some YouTubers, even one of my favorite YouTubers made a video on day trading, or how they tried day trading, and they kept saying they were losing money because of Robinhood, because it wasn't executing their trades right, and in reality that wasn't the case. They were just losing money because they weren't doing the proper buy. They were doing market buys and weren't doing limit buys. Now you're probably watching this like, okay, but what's the difference, right? And I'm getting a phone call right now, but again, we'll just ignore that. But right now we're looking at Apple stock, right? And this is just for the day of we're looking at the 1 minute chart, and this is for December 24th. And now let's say I was looking at Apple and I was looking at this purple line right here. This is the VWAP. Now I'm not going to really get into that because I might just save that for a different video. But let's just say I saw it bounce off of this earlier, and then later on it broke above it, and then I saw it was going to come down here and it started going up, right? So let's say I was just like, okay, I want to buy Apple at $284.11 per share, right? What you're always going to want to do is a limit buy. There's absolutely no reason to ever really do a market buy. So what a limit buy is it's limiting what price you're going to get this filled at, right? So let's say, like I said, you want to get Apple at $284.12. If I place a limit buy, right? And I'll just show you how you do that on TD Ameritrade. Again, each broker is going to be different. It's going to be different on Robinhood. It's going to be different on any other broker. But you could just simply change it from limit to market. Now there's other types of buying and selling orders, but we're just going to go over a limit buy and market buy, right? Now, if I really wanted it at $284.11, a limit buy would make sure that I only get it at $284.11. So if it goes up to $284.23, I'm not going to get filled unless it falls back down to $284.11, and then boom, my order will get filled, and that's the price I get in at. So I get in at exactly where I want to get in at. And then same thing, you're never going to want to really do a market sell. You're always going to pretty much want to do a limit sell. Again, a limit sell would be like, let's say I really wanted to, I saw earlier it went up to here, so let's say I want to sell it over here at $284.56. I would put a limit buy to sell it at $284.56. Otherwise, if I did a market buy, it's really just going to go at whatever price people are asking on a bid and ask, and now that's like another story. But basically, a market buy, you're not really going to get filled at the exact price. You're going to get filled at whatever is happening at the moment. So let's say you wanted to sell it at 54 cents, $284.54, but like for 1 millisecond it fell down all the way to like $284.40. Boom, you're not getting filled at exactly where you wanted to get filled at. Now I know you guys might be looking at Apple and you're like, okay, but like that's only a few cents. But like, keep in mind when you're trading with more money, let's say you're trading with like $500 or whatever you're trading with, right? A penny could definitely make a difference, obviously, right? A dollar can make a difference. So you always want to make sure you get filled at exactly where you wanted to get filled at. If you do a market buy, like I said, you'll get filled at whatever the market's doing at the moment. So if I wanted to, again, get it in at $284.11, but it hopped up to $284.20 in like 1 second, it'll just do whatever the market is just to get you in filled immediately. And then let's say it falls down, you're just not getting it at the price that you want to get it at. And now when it comes to trading, it's crucial because you want to get things at a certain price and sell it at a certain price, and you want to become profitable. You want to look for deals and you want to excel and execute them. So we're just going to look at an example. I'm not going to go over different indicators when it comes to trading. I have several videos that I have already out there about just different indicators. I have one about the RSI, so if you guys are interested in that, then definitely check out that video. Stay on my channel after you finish this video. I got really great content out there, and I'm just going to keep providing more content. So we'll just take a look at Apple, and we'll look at the 4-hour chart. Now, when it comes to trading, you're always going to want to get things at a good price. Now, just like anything else in life, you want to get things at a good price. Now, a reason why a lot of people fail is because they'll see a stock going all the way high up and they'll buy it all the way at the top, and then guess what? The stock starts falling down and they end up losing money. And this is why I think 90% of people that trade actually end up losing money. That are at least part of the reasons. I think there's like several other reasons why. But like I said, you're gonna what you're looking for in the stock market is really opportunity. So let's say we're looking at the 4-hour chart. This is, I believe, the 180-day analysis of Apple, right? We're looking at that. Now, obviously, Apple went up like tremendously up this year, right? So if you would have held it over the year, great, you would have done amazing. But and that's what I do on my other portfolio with my other broker Robinhood. I buy and hold. But now for this broker thinkers or TD Ameritrade, I day trade, meaning I get in today and I get out today as well. So you're really just looking for opportunities. So let's say a stock went up, but you're looking really like where it went down, and you're going to look for support and resistance levels. Now, again, I have a great video on support and resistance levels. Again, once you're done with this video, check out the other content I have on this channel, because I guarantee you it's definitely going to help you become a better trader, or if not, just become more knowledgeable if you don't end up trading in the stock market. But like I said, you want to get things at a good deal, and then sell at a good price. So that's pretty much it when it comes to day trading. You're in and out. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. Definitely, if you guys think I earned the like button, hit that like button. Actually, destroy that like button, because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm, but only if you guys think I earned your like. And again, let me also mention this. I do have a group on Facebook. It's called Push and Profit. It's just a Facebook group where I have a bunch of like-minded individuals who are into trading stocks, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or swing trading. I messed that up. Or, just real estate investing. And I just created this group just because I wanted a bunch of individuals to kind of like be able to link with each other, communicate. So if you guys are interested in joining that group, I am also going to have that link in the description below. Keep in mind, I did mention about the Webull promotion that they have going on, which is the other broker where if you sign up with my link, you get a free stock. If you deposit $100, you get another free stock. So definitely also check out the links in my description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My name is Justin Furniel from Push and Profit, and I'm out. Peace.